guys, yung ating project sa Cabiao, Nueva Ecija. 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. Bar petition. Naka beams po yan. Paikot. Talagang matibay. Para pasukan natin. At kitang-kita na napakaluwag niyan. Gawin pa siya kaya medyo makalat. Yan yung kanyang kitchen. That is kitchen and laundry area. Yan po yan. Kitang-kita naman, no? Napakataas ng kanyang tabon. Yung living room and kanyang dining area, napakaluwag. At ito po yung kanyang master bedroom. May sariling CR po yan. Talagang napakaluwag po. At ito yung kanyang living room and dining area.